In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use notes on Ticktick, a valuable tool for staying organized and managing your tasks efficiently. Whether you're new to Ticktick or need a refresher on how to navigate its features, this guide will walk you through each step of using notes effectively on the platform. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Ticktick website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in ticktick.com. Once you're there, the first step is to sign into your account. To do this, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. This will take you to the sign in page. Now, among the various sign in options, go ahead and click on the Google sign in button. This option allows you to quickly log in using your Google account, which is very efficient because it eliminates the need to remember yet another password. When prompted, select your Google account from the list, and you'll be directed straight to your Ticktick dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, this is where the magic begins. Look around, familiarize yourself with the layout, and then direct your attention to the note-taking section. Find the text box, which is your gateway to creating a new note. Click on it to activate the cursor, which signifies you're ready to start typing. Go ahead and type out your new note, whether it's a reminder, a task description, or just some personal thoughts. Type it out in the text box. After you've jotted down everything important, right-click on the new note. In the menu that appears, you will see the option to convert to note. Click on that. This step formalizes the entry as a note within Ticktick, making it easier to manage separately from tasks. If you're someone who likes a bit of structure, you might want to use a note template. Ticktick provides a handy feature for this. Look for and click on the option to use a template. This allows you to choose from a variety of pre-designed formats, offering you a structured way to organize different types of notes, be it meeting minutes, shopping lists, or project outlines. And there you have it, a streamlined process to using notes on Ticktick that will help you maintain order in your digital life. With these steps, you should be well on your way to utilizing Ticktick more effectively. Feel free to explore more of its features as you grow more familiar with the platform. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.